So in today's session, we are going to understand about knowledge management, guys. Okay. So the current sessions are related to process understanding, guys, system process understanding. Okay, admin topics we are yet to start discussing about it. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about knowledge management. So first of all, we need to understand what is knowledge. Okay. Knowledge means, guys, become professional in one particular area. So knowledge means to have some subject in one particular area, having subject in one particular area. In other words, okay, having having subject in one particular area. So let us say I have good subject in ServiceNow platform. That means I have knowledge on ServiceNow platform. If you have subject in ChatGPT, that means you have knowledge on ChatGPT. You have good subject in Salesforce. That means you have knowledge on Salesforce. Okay. You have knowledge on Salesforce. Okay. You have knowledge on Salesforce. If you have good subject, okay. So you have good subject expertise in AWS means you have knowledge on AWS. Okay. Knowledge means having some information, having some subject on one particular area. Okay. So if you want to share your knowledge with the company employees, if you want to share your knowledge with the company employees, you will use knowledge management. I have knowledge on ServiceNow. I can share my ServiceNow knowledge with the company employees. Okay, you have knowledge on AWS. You can share your AWS knowledge with the company employees. You have Power BI knowledge. You can share your Power BI knowledge with the company employees. For that, to share your knowledge, company employees, colleagues, and users in the organization, we use knowledge management. Okay. Guys, myself, Uday Gadiparthi, I have good expertise in ServiceNow platform. I want to share my knowledge with employees in the organization. I want to share my knowledge with the employees in the organization. Okay. Getting my point, right? So as I want to share my knowledge with employees in the organization, I will use knowledge management. So I go to ServiceNow. Okay. I just type knowledge here. So under knowledge application menu, you go to create new. Okay. So this is the knowledge article that you are creating. Guys, remember, knowledge base is very important when you are creating the knowledge article. So knowledge base means you can say it is topic, which topic it is. Let us say is related to service now. Okay, but you don't see service now in your personal developer instance, guys. Okay, I have selected the knowledge base here. So knowledge base means on which particular topic you are sharing your knowledge. In service now, I am going to share my knowledge about business rules. Okay, business rules. Okay, so I have selected business rules. So suppose if you are sharing your knowledge on AWS, you can select AWS here. In the AWS, which topic you are sharing your knowledge. Getting my point? I am sharing my knowledge on service now. In service now, I am actually selecting one topic here. Okay. Okay. I'm just copying the content from Google, guys. Okay. I can write my own content. I can write it here. I've just copied this content and then I pasted here. Normally, you can write that content. For the time being, I have actually copy pasted that content. So this is the content that I wrote. Okay. So the process is different, Harmant, here. Confluence pages in the Jira are different. Okay. So this is a bit different here. Confluence pages also for knowledge sharing only. Okay. Confluence pages is also knowledge sharing only. This is also for knowledge sharing only. This process is little bit different. Okay. So here you are creating a knowledge article on service now under business rule topic. Under business rule topic. Okay. And you provided the short description. You wrote the content here. Article body means you will write the content here. So first of all, you will create a knowledge article. Okay. So when you created the knowledge article will be in the draft state. The knowledge article will be in the draft state. Okay. Draft state means you just created a knowledge article. So no employee can see this one. When the knowledge article is in the draft state, no employee can see this one. Okay. So this knowledge base, ServiceNow knowledge base has their owner. So AWS has AWS owner, ServiceNow has ServiceNow owner. You can see, you can click on this preview icon. You'll be able to see knowledge base owner, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln has to read this knowledge article and he has to approve it. By clicking on view article, he will read it. So this is how it will look like. This is how it will look like. Okay. You can click on publish here. So once you click on publish, it is now in the review state. So in the review state, this knowledge base owner will receive the approval. This knowledge base owner will receive the approval. You can see Abraham Lincoln has received the approval. So Abraham Lincoln will read the knowledge article and he will see if that article is meaningful or not, if any spelling mistakes are not, any screenshots required or not, any additional information required or not. He will review it. After the successful review, will mark it as, he will mark it as approved. Then Abraham Lincoln will mark it as approved. Once it is approved, now the knowledge article is in the published phase. Only when the knowledge article is published, then only employees can see the knowledge articles. Only when it is in the published phase. If it is not in the published phase, no one can see it. Only when it is in the published phase. How they will see the knowledge articles? So they will go to a portal called Service Portal. So if you just open the base URL, in the end of the base URL, use SP here. In the end of the URL, use SP here. SP means Service Portal. Okay. Not request something. Knowledge base you have to select here. In the knowledge base, I am selecting ServiceNow here. ServiceNow knowledge base. Under the ServiceNow knowledge base, under business rules category, okay, become master in ServiceNow business rules. This is the knowledge article that we created. This is the knowledge article that we created. Become master in ServiceNow business rules. Okay. This is how employees will see the knowledge article, guys. This is how employees see knowledge article. Okay. So after reading the knowledge article, they can also provide the ratings as well. They can provide their feedback as well. They can tell that this is helpful or not. Okay. So every time when we open this knowledge article, So a view will be counted. You can see how many times, how many views are there. Only one view. Only one view. Yes, I'll show you that. So when the knowledge article is in the published phase, every employee can see that knowledge article. Every employee can see that knowledge article. So when employees can see that knowledge article, they can provide the rating, they can mark it as helpful, they can provide their feedback, they can see how many times you can also see how many times the knowledge article is viewed and all. So in this knowledge base plays key role, guys. If you open the knowledge base here, open record here. If you click on preview here, you'll be able to open the knowledge. Here I have disabled the commenting. I have disabled the suggestion. I have disabled the category rating, disabled the rating. I am enabling all of them. Okay. I am enabling them. So you have to open the knowledge base, guys. Okay. Now you see here, the knowledge article will have, you have option to provide the rating. You can say, thanks for your feedback. Mark it as helpful, yes. Yes. So you can provide your feedback here. So we are able to provide the rating. We are able to mark it as helpful. We are able to comment it here. Okay. Likewise, every employee can read the knowledge article. They can provide their feedbacks. Getting my point, madam? Okay. Every employee can read the knowledge article, can provide their feedbacks. So those feedbacks also you can see here. Under knowledge application menu, you will be able to see ratings here. You go to the ratings here. So click on all. Okay. What is the knowledge article number here? 10012, right? So this is the knowledge article. So I have given 5-star rating. I have commented as really helpful. I have marked it as useful. Likewise, every employee can provide their feedback. Every employee can provide their feedback. Okay. So their feedbacks are stored in ServiceNow. So every employee can read this knowledge article. They can provide their feedback. Every employee's feedback is stored here. You can see here, Uday Gadiparthi has provided 5-star rating. Uday Gadiparthi has provided comment as mark as helpful. Uday Gadiparthi has commented it as yes. Okay. Whoever has read the knowledge article, that guy will provide the rating, right? That guy name will come here. Okay. That guy name will come here. You guys are clear, right? So Likewise, every feedback will be stored here in ServiceNow. Based on that, we can identify which knowledge top five rated top rated articles you can identify from this feedback. Okay, top 5 rated articles we can identify. You can identify the most helpful articles, top helpful articles. You can identify most commented articles. Getting my point? Based on the employees' feedback that we received, we can identify top rated articles, most helpful articles, most commented articles. We can identify. You understand, right, madam? So these feedbacks are important. You can say knowledge feedback. These feedbacks are important, guys. So employees will be seeing the knowledge articles from something like this. They will go to in the home. They will go to knowledge base. They will choose the ServiceNow as knowledge base in the ServiceNow business rules topic, and which knowledge article they want to open. They will open that particular knowledge article. They will read it. They can also provide their feedbacks as well. Hmm? You got it right. Fine. So then they will be able to provide their feedbacks. Though their feedbacks are stored in the knowledge feed. Whatever the feedbacks that we're receiving, based on those feedbacks, we can identify the most rated articles, most helpful articles, most commented articles, most viewed articles also. How many times this article is viewed also is calculated. If you just go to the feedback here, there is a view log here. Here you can see, uh, so this particular knowledge article, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, Uday Gadiparthi has viewed true. You can see viewed true here. 1 minute ago, this knowledge article is viewed by Uday Kishore Gadiparthi. So likewise, every employee, when he opened the knowledge article in ServiceNow, it will be tracked that this guy has viewed the knowledge article. Getting my point? So manager can only approve Nageshwar. Okay. We can't approve our own knowledge article. Manager only has to approve. Okay, fine. So whatever the feedback that we provided, whenever viewed the knowledge article, everything is tracked in ServiceNow. Even when you search something in the ServiceNow, you can see it in the search log. So if you search something, you can see it in search term. What did you search it? When you searched it, how many results has come? Who searched it? This is called search log. So I have searched with this particular term, guys. When I searched with this particular term, only one result has come. Who searched it? So everything will be calculated. Everything will be tracked in ServiceNow. So when did you search also? You can see here. So when did you search it? What is the term you searched it? And how many results has come? Who searched it? Okay. Okay, fine. So likewise, we'll be getting the feedbacks for every knowledge article. So we understand that first it will be in the draft state. It has to be approved by your knowledge base owner. Once he approved it, will go to publish state. In the publish state, everyone can see and they will provide the feedback. They can mark it as helpful. They can actually write the comment. They can view the knowledge article. Everything is tracked in ServiceNow. So based on that, we can identify the most rated articles, most helpful articles, most commented articles, most viewed articles. So if you see here in the right side, most useful articles. These most useful articles are identified from the feedback that we received. Okay, you understand, right? Okay, if I scroll down, so I'm going to the knowledge. Top rated articles. These top rated articles are identified from the feedback that we received. These most viewed articles. These most viewed articles are identified from the feedback that we received. Okay, fine. So then again we'll go to the knowledge base. So guys, we everybody will have some retirement date. I will have some retirement date. You will have some retirement date. Will not be working lifelong, right? We'll be working only when we have some energy. Only till that date we will work. Maximum 60. After 50, we will stop working too much. After 50, we have to stop slowly. We should not stop directly. See, mark this point, guys. Once we become 50, okay, we will stop talking too much. We should stop talking too much. Okay. The less that you speak when you are at 50, you will get respect from everyone. Everybody think that you are an elder, and everybody start respecting you. If you are behaving like a child, and if you are actually talking too much, means they don't respect you. When you are at 50s, you should speak as less as possible. Only then you will have value. By the time you would have seen some half part of the life, right? And you should slowly uh, you know stop working too much. You should decrease your burden. Let us say if you are carrying 100 kgs weight, you should decrease it to 70 or 80. At 51, you have to decrease it to 60. So slowly you have to decrease your weight, whatever the weight that you are carrying, right? You have to decrease that. Getting my point? So similarly, this knowledge article also will have some expiry date. Not expiry date, retirement date. So you can see here, valid to time will be populated automatically. Valid to time will be populated automatically. Okay. This valid to time will be populated from the knowledge base, guys. So this is the knowledge base. We'll open this knowledge base. So we don't have validity time. If you keep 100 days here, days, validity in days, number of days the article is valid for. If you keep 100 days here, the knowledge article will be populated as 100 days from the current date. Okay, this validity date will be populated based on the knowledge base article validity time. Let me create one new knowledge article, guys. Yes, there must be a knowledge base. I was about to tell that point. So knowledge base is key point here. You can see it. Service now I created it. You can see valid to time is automatically populated as December 28th. It has added 10 days to the current date. It has populated this date automatically. So only 100 days this knowledge article is valid. After 100 days, the knowledge article will go to pending retirement state. So if you click on retire here, the knowledge article will go to pending retirement state. The knowledge article is in the pending retirement state. So pending retirement means, so as per the knowledge base, this knowledge article is valid only till this particular date. Once it reaches this date, it will automatically will go to pending retirement state. So during that time, again, knowledge base owner will receive the approval. He has to confirm the knowledge article is still valid or not. Say knowledge base owner has received the approval. If he approve it, the knowledge article will be expired, retired. If he approve it, the knowledge article will be retired. If he rejected it, again it will go to published phase. So I am actually approving it. It will go to retired state. Based on the time that you specified in the validity, the article validity. Normally it will have 2 years or 3 years long period. So this one we provided, madam. So guys, she has asked very good question. First of all, there should be a knowledge base. You have to go to under knowledge application menu. There will be knowledge bases. You can see knowledge bases here. So I have created a ServiceNow knowledge base under knowledge bases. So in the knowledge base, if you scroll down from here also you can create the knowledge article. This is the knowledge article that we created. From here also you can create a knowledge article. What I did, directly I created a knowledge article and I selected the knowledge base. You understand, right? Madam? So knowledge categories. So ServiceNow related topics I told you, right? These categories are topics. You understand, right? These are topics. Okay. So you can open the knowledge base first, guys. You can open the knowledge base first. From the knowledge base, you can create a knowledge article. If you scroll down, you can just create a knowledge article from here. What I did, I didn't open the knowledge base. I directly created the knowledge article. I selected the knowledge base. Hmm. So this is the knowledge article that I created. So somebody has asked a question. Can we restrict this knowledge article to show only to few members means? So we can see here, can read option is there, right? In the knowledge base, there is an option called can read. Okay. So here the users who is having ITIL role only can read these knowledge articles. Getting my point? The person who is having ITIL role only can read these knowledge articles. Just type knowledge, madam, here. So under knowledge, you can see under administration, you can see knowledge bases. Okay. Getting my point? So this is the knowledge base. From this knowledge base, we created a knowledge article. We can restrict this knowledge article access. Okay. So can read. People, those who have ITL permission, only they can see the knowledge article. If they don't have ITL permission, they can't even see it. Can contribute means they can actually edit the knowledge articles. They can create the knowledge articles. People who has permission here can contribute permission. They can create the knowledge articles. They can edit the knowledge articles. Cannot read. So either you can use can read or cannot read, any one. Don't use both of them. Okay, use can read or cannot read. Cannot read means who should not see the knowledge article. Who should not see the knowledge article. So cannot contribute means who cannot create the knowledge articles. Okay. So this featured content, we did not use it, guys. Okay, we did not use it. Okay, fine. So that is how you will create the knowledge article. You will first it will be in the draft state. Okay, from the draft state, it will go to review phase. You will go to it will go to published phase once a knowledge base owner has approved it. Then it will go to pending retirement state. Then it will be retired. Once it is retired, no one can see the knowledge article. Okay. Recent scam in ServiceNow knowledge article. I didn't understand what is that. I think you have to frame the question properly, Chandrasekhar. What is that recent scam, man? Okay, fine. So if you enable this commenting, if you disable this commenting, you can actually hide commenting option in the knowledge articles in the service portal. Disable suggestion, disable category editing, disable rating, disable market as helpful, so that it will actually hide rating option, it will hide commenting option, it will hide helpful article. No, no, whatever you have heard is not correct. Fine, right. Hmm? So that is how you will manage the knowledge articles, guys. Okay. So now you tell me, whenever you click on review button, whenever you click on publish button, it is going to review state. The knowledge article is going to review state here. Whenever you click on publish button, it is going to review state. Whenever I click on this retire button, it is going to pending retirement state. Okay. Then it is sending approvals to the knowledge base owner. How is it sending? Yes, very good, madam. So in the knowledge base, we have workflows here, publish workflow. This workflow is running the backend. So this is for retirement. This is for publishing. This is for retirement. If you remove this one, this is a mandatory field. Star mark means mandatory field. You have to select any one. So what my point is, whenever you click on the review button, it is sending an approval to the knowledge base owner. Knowledge base owner, it is actually keeping the state as review. Once it is approved, the state is actually setting as this approval is actually setting the state as published. This one, once you click on retire, it is actually going to the pending retirement. It is keeping the state as pending retirement. It is sending an approval to the knowledge base owner. Once he approved it, the state will be changed to retired. So these workflows are running in the backend. If you deactivate this one, it will not appear in the portal. The knowledge articles that are related to this knowledge base won't appear in the portal. I have deactivated this knowledge base, right? It won't appear in the service portal. Okay. no articles. It is saying no articles. We deactivated that, right? It is showing no articles found because we deactivated that. We'll activate it. You can see, you are able to see only one. You are not able to see remaining one because this is retired, right? This is not in the published state again. So under this ServiceNow knowledge base, there are two knowledge articles. Under the ServiceNow knowledge base, there are two knowledge articles. One is in the published phase. One is in the retired state. So this one is in the retired state. This is in the published state. Whatever is in the published state is actually appearing in the service portal. Whatever is in the retired state is not appearing in the service portal. Got it, right? So that is how you will manage the knowledge management in the ServiceNow, guys. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow are very important, guys. We'll be starting the technical topics. Okay. Any questions from anyone, guys? It is it is not our responsibility. It is not our responsibility to create the knowledge article, guys. It is our responsibility to create the knowledge bases. Okay. It is our responsibility to uh, design the knowledge form. See here, we are able to select here 2012. So can valid date be in the past date? Valid date should always be in the future. Valid date should always be in the future. So I'm able to select the past date as well, right? So I should not allow to select the past dates here. That is what we ServiceNow developers do. When employees are trying to select the past dates as a valid to date, we should not allow them. We should not allow them. And whenever the knowledge article is published, we have to send an email notification to the author. So that we will have to take care of as a ServiceNow developer. Okay. Hope you are able to understand, guys. You can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Uday, can you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, Uday, I have seen 2 days back. I have seen one article. 1000 KB articles was hacked by someone.
You can
In,
share me that link. I'll read through it. Okay.
okay, I think
Hi,
they
Uday.
they have misconfigured. That's why it has been hacked.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, somebody was trying to ask me a question.
Yes, Uday. Actually, if we submitted the article, then how can that manager see that article like it is in his bucket, like need to approve the article or something?
So he can go to my approvals here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Under my approvals, he can see approval for knowledge article number.
Okay.
Daily he has to check.
Oh, any
Then,
emails or something?
yeah, emails will be sending it to the approvers always.
Okay.
They will be receiving the approvals as well. We have separately a topic called system notifications. ServiceNow can send three types of notifications: email notifications, and push notifications, and provider notifications.
Got it.
Okay. Any questions from anyone? So tomorrow onwards, the technical topics will be started, guys. Don't miss the sessions from tomorrow onwards. I would request, please make sure everyone is joining the session. Okay. Whoever is in the group, everybody is joining the session. Make sure this is our responsibility. Okay. Okay, guys, and see you there in tomorrow session. Thank you all.
Uday, one question.
Yes.
So once the article is created,
Hmm.
can we delete the article before the retirement?
So,
we-
well, not everyone can do it. Only Aadhar can do it.
Oh, okay.
Only Aadhar and knowledge base owner can do it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's it. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you all, and see you there in tomorrow session. Thank you.
Okay.